Good morning, everybody in YouTube land. Okay, I just went to the grocery store, and for the first time in 2 weeks, they had toilet paper. Yoo-hoo! Gee, you never know how much you appreciate toilet paper until you don't have any. Well, no, I had some, but I didn't have any extra. Shall I say I didn't have any extra? So I'm very happy to have some toilet paper today. And they also had all kinds of food. They allowed us to have more than one bottle of water, which was nice. And so I'm on my way back to the base camp. See you back there. Okay, after 1 week of being quarantined, I've finished all my to-do list except vacuuming and gardening. Say, excuse me. What are you doing? This one I did not plant, but this grew all by itself. And I know this one is a tree tobacco. See there? This one I believe is either a cucumber, a pumpkin, or could be a watermelon. All this stuff over on the side, that is all rabbit manure. So that's why I have this little fence around it, so the rabbits don't eat it. This here is some old AstroTurf that I was able to buy from a neighbor and set out here. And this was perfect for when I used to do agility training with my dogs. Now this one I did not plant, but look at it, just grew here. This little pine tree. And this one I didn't plant. It's a baby cottonwood tree. It just grew by itself. It's just starting to get the buds starting to open. See here? How nice. Cottonwood tree. Look what I have the pleasure of seeing here. 2 beautiful doves. For lunch, I'm making some chili beans in the Instapot. I have butter, onions, chopped meat, have it on saute. I'm adding stewed tomatoes, and some drained kidney beans. And stir it up. Okay, it's all ready. Get started. I'm going to cook it in a pressure cooker for 30 minutes. No, 20. There it goes. Make sure this thing's straight. Okay, so the chili beans are done. I'm going to open the thing. Check first here.
This little vent is down. Nothing comes out, so I can open it. Makes such a cute noise. It's all ready whenever I'm ready to eat. So I'm going to put some cheese on top of the chili. And it's going to be yummy. Hey guys, do you wish you could eat chili beans? Huh? You like dog food, huh? Yeah. Where's Kiki? Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Look how cute she runs. Come on, sweetie. Good girl. Oh, she's a good girl. Yeah. Look at the big puffy clouds and the blue sky peeking through. What a nice day. So I'm making progress on my mulch pile here. I'll show you how I do it. Sometimes I clip each piece in half with these little clippers. And sometimes I just stomp it with my feet. Either way, it works. And it's going to make some good soil underneath. These are pineapple weeds. And last year with all the rain we had and the super bloom, I read in the paper that this particular plant really increased last year, and it surely did on this piece of property. It's all over, and it's even more this year. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed being around the base camp, Rancho Cielo, with me. I'll see you next time. Be sure and subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're doing when you're staying home. I'll see you next time. Remember, Jesus loves you, and He has a way for you. Remember, this is your victory. Jesus is your victory. Bye.